Hi, good afternoon to all the brothers and sisters. Yeah, so now we are going to register the apps for the three main important apps for Elken Global Business. The first one is iSmart eLibrary. So we go to Play Store and we search for iSmart eLibrary. Yeah, so the first one will be the apps that we have to install. Alright, so yeah, we are waiting for the installation. Okay, alright, it takes sometimes to install. Okay. Alright, iSmart eLibrary is actually consists of all the information, video, and the product information, and also the marketing plan, price list. So we can get all the information from iSmart eLibrary. Alright, after installation, yeah, we allow iSmart eLibrary to access our photo. Okay, and then you can type your email here and password, or you can direct log in with your Facebook. Okay, so we done for iSmart eLibrary. Second, we are going to install VirEL. We just press VirEL, then we wait for VirEL Elken. Yeah, we go for the first one, VirEL. Install. Okay, so we get some time for the apps to be downloaded. From VirEL, you can get some write-up, content, a very good explanation about the benefit of the product, and you can direct share to your friend. Yeah, it's like a e-shop. It's like a e-shop for yourself. Okay, you choose the English and next. So you can log in with your Elken Global ID and also password. Alright. So next we go to another apps, which is IBS Elken. Yeah, this is the one. Install. Yeah, IBS Elken is the back office. Is a apps that allow us to monitor our business. Yeah, for every time that we want to monitor our business, like how many point that, how many BV, what status that we achieve, and also how many downline that we have, you can monitor through IBS. It also can allow us to register our member to purchase product through this platform. So you can log in with your member ID and password. Alright, so I've done the installation for 3 apps. Yeah, so you can see the apps is here. Yeah, the 3 apps is here. Okay, alright. Yeah, so please try to install 3 very important apps in your handphone, and you will use these 3 apps very frequent. Alright, yeah, thank you so much, brother and sister. Hope to see you again. Bye.